We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting, related and often mispronounced words too. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, this is usually said as Jacobean, with an emphasis on the first syllable, Jacobean. In American English, however, it is often pronounced as Jacobean, Jacobean, with an emphasis on the B on the third syllable, Jacobean or Jacobean. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.